Well, good afternoon, everybody. We have our beautiful model, Mackenzie. And you guys, Mackenzie, we gave her a nice color transformation. She was about a 4 level, which we're going to show you right now. And how did we achieve this? You guys, if anyone never used this product before, try it. It is the Goldwell Color Remover. This stuff is phenomenal. We literally shampooed her hair. We applied this from roots to ends. We've got about almost 3 levels of lift, about 2.5 actually. After that, we shampooed it out, and then we ended up doing a little bit of a soak cap. And just to get a little extra out there, and then we colored it. And you guys, whoever's interested in the formulas, feel free to message me or comment me, and I'll send you Goldwell's awesome red formulas for this beauty. And so today we are going to be doing a LOB haircut with layers. We're just going to bring her haircut a little bit up in length. We're going to give her a nice square perimeter, maybe a little longer in the front. We're going to add some layers that kind of look a little bit choppy, give a little crown height, and a nice breakup throughout this area without destroying the integrity of the perimeter and fullness. And then we might give her just a long type of face framing or curtain fringe. So, without further ado, let's do the LOB with layers.
3 simple zones to start this haircut. All right. Central vertical section from hairline to crown. We are now going to take an oval section from the top of the crown all the way to the deepest point of the nape. And we are going to section off a nice oval section. And now we're going to go to the side and do a diagonal forward section on each side. And then we're going to go back to the back, and we are going to remove a horizontal section from the back. And now we are ready to outline our perimeter. I'm using my comb, 0 elevation, square cutting line. Now I'm going to go right to the back, connect it to the side, and then go to the opposite side, 0 elevation, and connect to the deepest point of the nape on opposite side until we have a nice strong perimeter blunt. Now we're going to continue doing a 1 length haircut, 0 elevation, sections guide your comb, comb guide your cutting line. In this case, I'm using my comb for 0 elevation, and it's a slightly diagonal forward, blunt, clean line. Yep, and once that is all set, we're going to do the same thing on the opposite side. 1 length, clean, blunt perimeter. Very simple. 0 elevation, continuing that. And there you go, last section. And now we're going to go right to the back section, drop down horizontal sections, and continue a 1 length haircut. You can see your guide using my comb, connecting the dots. And we're going to continue 1 length haircut until there is no more hair to cut. Just a couple more sections to go, finishing our outline in our blunt, clean shape, last section. And we will have our 1 length, clean, blunt cut ready to go. And there you go, guys. Nice, clean look. All right, here's zones 2 and zones 3. You can see the sectioning. All right, we're going to start right at zone 1. Central vertical section, lifting straight out from the head. Make sure you drop the perimeter. This will be a stationary guide. We are going to over direct every section to the middle and cut a horizontal cutting line. Again, same thing on the opposite side. This time we're combing everything towards the center, and we are cutting more of a square, could be round depending on our head shape, cutting line. We just want to make sure we drop the perimeter. Okay, let's get right into the layering, that crown type area. We are going to take a horizontal section, pull it straight out perpendicular from the head, and we're going to point cut a square type cutting line. Okay, now we're going to take sections underneath it. Again, horizontal section, over directing to that guide and point cutting a square cutting line. We'll do this until that whole zone has no more hair to cut. Perfect. Okay, now we're going to go to the top zone. Now we're going to use the same guide we just used for zone 2 for this zone 3. See, we're going to comb it straight, over direct it back to our original guide and continue point cutting a square cutting line. Again, over directing, point cutting, more of a square shape. This is going to create a lot of loose type layering right near her occipital, and it's going to lay really nice. And last section, again, over directing, point cutting, a little slide cutting. There you go. And nice clean shape. We did not disrupt that nice perimeter, as you can see, but we did create a lot of movement. Okay, a long curtain fringe. Center part, working side to side. Diagonal sections. Once you establish your length, that's it. We're going to bring everything to that length. Follow your guide. It's going to be shorter in the middle, longer on the sides. This will blend right into the hair. Cut beautifully. Okay, a little Carasilk plumping cream. This will be really nice to help plump up her cuticle, create some nice volume. Now we're going to use a little repower on the roots and a little Just Smooth drops for shine. Let's style.